Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My name is Abdul Hadi and I am a foundation level student at High School Islamabad. So viewers, as you know, whenever I came with a new TEDx talk review. So today I came with a TEDx talk review which speaker name is Rahmat Ajmal, the power in US. So let's get started. Rahmat Ajmal's TEDx talk, The Power in US, is a deeply moving and motivational speech that highlights the hidden strength and resilience that lies with each of us. Her power does not always come from an external sources. It is something we already carry inside ourselves, waiting to be discovered. She begins by sharing her personal reflections and experiences, which immediately build a sense of authenticity and trust with the audience. Her storytelling is emotional yet simple, making her words relatable for anyone who has ever doubted their own abilities or faced challenges in life. By using her own journey as an example, she demonstrates that inner power is not abstract. It is a real, practical, and something we can all assess. The talk is not just motivational, it is also thought provoking. She explains that while life may bring struggles and setbacks, those every experiences can awake our strength. Her tone encourages reflection instead of always searching for validation from the outside world. We must first look within. In summary, The Power in US is a heartfelt TEDx talk that inspires, motivates, and empowers its audiences. It invites us to reflect on our inner strength and challenges us to believe that we are more capable than we think. So, viewers, this was our today's TEDx Talk review. Hope you like it. Rehan School Zindabad, Pakistan Zindabad.